You say you want to get strong? You say you want to get strong, huh? You want to get strong like Popeye? So you want to be Popeye strong, right? You want to get them guns and everything. So I don't know if you're familiar with me. If you watch any of my other defensive tactics, workout videos, keeping your body in shape is part of a defense sometime. You never know what you're going to have to do and have to rely on your body strength. But another thing you want to do is eat right. And what I do is, well, I'm going to show you here a little snack that I prepare for myself sometime. All right, here's a little snack I do right here. I get a little spinach, a little salad dressing for some dip, just like that there. And now, this is what you do. See, your pot smoker's probably gonna like this. I usually take about a good 4 leaves of it, something like that there. And you're gonna roll it up like a joint, like you're rolling a joint. But this one joint you can't smoke. You're gonna roll it up like that. You're gonna give it a dip in that little dressing there, and makes a good snack. And you can eat this while you high too, if you like. Eat it all. You don't have to eat it all, but eat it all. Try it. You might like it.